Ankit is joining us live from Mumbai newsroom to perhaps elaborate more on all that has transpired the last few hours. Ankit, what have you been able to pick up, because Twitter currently probing into this in detail?
Yeah, thanks, Krithveen. It's probably the biggest story in the world right now. It's definitely the biggest story on the internet. And you can gauge the size of the hack that has taken place by the people who have been hacked. Now, Republic World was among the first people. We did this in the dead of night. We were the first to stumble by the fact that people like Barack Obama, Elon Musk, Apple, Joe Biden, their accounts were hacked purportedly, and a message had been put out asking people online to invest in Bitcoin, guaranteeing them double returns. Now, here is the story I have open on our website, republicworld.com. And here, for instance, is the tweet that was put out from Barack Obama's handle. It says, "I am giving back my community due to COVID-19. All Bitcoin sent to my address below will be sent back doubled." So he's guaranteeing that if a person sends him $1,000, he will return $2,000 in Bitcoin. And this is the former president of the United States. Similarly, the same tweet put out by Elon Musk, the SpaceX and Tesla CEO. Bill Gates, the Microsoft co-founder, he too saw his account hacked, as did Jeff Bezos. So you have, at various points, among the most powerful people in the world, among the wealthiest tech owners in the world, their accounts were hacked, and so was Apple's as a company. Now, what happened after this was Twitter first acknowledged that there was a problem. Jack Dorsey, Twitter's co-founder and CEO, he put out a tweet saying that it was a tough day for them at Twitter, and they feel terrible that this happened. At that point, they were diagnosing the problem, and they had shut down a lot of the accounts that had come under the hack. Now, at that point, what we saw was Twitter talking about in greater terms about the action that it had taken. So we have here the Twitter account of Twitter Support, which speaks about how internally they have taken a lot of steps. I'm going to zoom in here. So they locked the accounts. So can you imagine Twitter locking the accounts of former US President Barack Obama, Elon Musk, and others? In fact, if a user logged on to Twitter early in the morning, for many people, for many regular handle people, not even blue tick handles, there was no feed showing. Many blue tick handles could not tweet and still cannot tweet. Since then, functionality has been restored for regular accounts. Twitter Support says this was disruptive, and the only indication it is given as to what the cause of the attack was by use of the phrase socially engineered attack. Now, there is no, as far as I'm aware, terminology to explain the precise nature of this attack. Twitter Support did put out that the attack was conducted via its own staff. Perhaps at its office. I don't know if they're working from the office. I think Twitter was one of the first companies to allow its employees to work from home almost indefinitely. But its own staff were compromised by whoever the hacker was to infiltrate the accounts of these very well-known personalities. You can imagine the kind of flurry that it has caused online. In India, we don't seem to be impacted as much. There were no real accounts of prominent personalities that were hacked in India. But some of the most important personalities in the US certainly fell prey to this hack. Back to you, Krithveen.
Absolutely. All those details on republicworld.com ever since the story first started, with all of those accounts. Similar tweet that has been put out by the Twitter handle of famous personalities across the world, and Republic tracking that story very, very closely. If someone from within Twitter was involved, or the hackers accessed the internal tools of Twitter to go ahead with this kind of heist. But many thanks, Ankit. We'll keep coming back to you, Republic, following that closely.